இங்கிலீஷில் டிஆர்பிக்கு அப்ஜெக்டிவ் டைப் போட்டிருக்கேன், க்ளோசரி. அப்புறம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் திங்ஸ் எல்லாமே கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அனிமல்ஸு யங் ஒன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். டூல்ஸ் அண்ட் நியூஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். அப்ஜெக்டிவ் டைப்பில் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் வந்து மீனிங் புரிஞ்சால் கண்டிப்பாக எல்லாமே எழுதலாம். அதில் கலெக்டிவ் நைன்ஸு, காம்பவுண்டு வேர்ட்ஸு, அப்படி ஒவ்வொரு லைனாக அடுத்தடுத்து கொடுக்குறேன். கண்டிப்பாக பாருங்கள். பார்த்துட்டு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. Choose the correct answer. Dash is the soap. STIR, stay. அசை. கொஞ்சம் மீனிங் புரிஞ்சு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். STIR வந்து அசை. Stay the soap. Dash is the vegetables. Dash is the vegetable. CHOP, soap. CHOP, soap. நறுக்கு வெட்டு. The vegetables. Dash is the egg. Boil the egg. கொதி காய்ச்சு. Boil means கொதி காய்ச்சு. Be dash with knife. Cut. நறுக்கு வெட்டு. Cut means நறுக்கு வெட்டு. We cut with knife. இப்போ பாருங்கள், dash is the soap. Stir, STIR, stir the soap. Dash is the vegetable. Chop. Chop means நறுக்கு வெட்டு. Boil, கொதி. The egg. Boil the egg. We dash with a knife. We cut with a knife. வெட்டு பிளவு. We dash with a receipt book. Make உண்டு பண்ணு செய்ய. நம்ம வந்து make with receipt books. We dash milk. Shake with mix. We mix. கலவை ஒன்றாக சேர். We mix milk. Shake with mixing. We dash with bean. Fry with bean. Fry வறுக்கவும் பொரிக்கலாம். Bean. Beat with a dash. Wash. WHISH. Wash. Be with a wash. துடைப்பம் சுழற்சி. Cut tiny pieces with grater. அதிகம். Cut tiny pieces with grater. Dash is the water. Water. Dash is the water. Power. POUR, for the water. இப்போ ஒரு சின்ன சின்ன வேர்டும் மீனிங் பார்த்து நீங்கள் பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு அது ஈஸியாக தெரியும். நெக்ஸ்ட் பாருங்கள். The egg. Break. Break the egg. Dash the butter on bread. ஸ்ப்ரெட், அது மேலே நம்ம தடவி சாப்பிட்றோம் இல்லைங்களா, அதுக்கு ஸ்ப்ரெட். டேஷ் இஸ் த பெப்பர். Sprinkle the pepper. Dash is the vegetables. Sausage the vegetables. Dash is the oranges. Peel, P-E-E-L, peel the oranges. Choose the correct answer. The open and close things. Screwdriver. The open and close things. Screwdriver. The test electrical things. Multimeter. The stitch cloth needles. The two stitch clothes. The stitch clothes needles. The strike is used hammer. The strike dash is used hammer. To duck is the needed spade. Spade. Choose the correct answer. Vicky wanted a dash to do all hill work. Robot. Vicky father bought a dash robot. Tricky robot. Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. Sell the robot. Robot asked Vicky to sell him to an dash master. Active. Identify the character. I will do all the work myself. Vicky. First you change my battery. Robot. I have bought you a robot. Vicky's father. The robot will do all your work. Vicky's father. Why don't you do that yourself? Robot. You want me strain my back. Robot. Play me pleasant song. Vicky. Anita shares her experience about Robot Expo. The robot that eat on her shoulder was a butterfly. Anita friends wanted a dash robot is their houses. Butterfly. Brain of a robot is the controller. A robot advanced her to use dustbin. Choose the correct answer. Dash is the do it yourself kid. Vinod. Bossy dash a bicycle. Raids. Raju loves cooking. Raju loves cooking. Anbu was talented the catching fish. Every dash they would go fishing Sunday. Anbu got dash fish this week. 3. They use dash as bait. Earthworm. They feed fish with a buffet rice. Buffet rice. Choose the best answer. The animal's dash is the boat. Higher. Sunday. Suddenly there was a gale. Suddenly there was a Gale girl. Gal. Robinson named the boy Friday. Dash was with a Robinson dog. Robinson sailed England after Robinson sailed England after 28 years. Meena village was hit by waves on December. Meena was transformed to a rehabilitation center. The official family visited the rehabilitation center for 5 years. 5 years. The official and his wife liked Meena. Meena studied in 12th standard. Meena studied in 12th standard. Choose the correct answer. Mole's dick. Mole's dick. Worth trap. Worth trap. The animal's dashboard. Higher. Mole's dick dash to catch worm's trap. Leaf cutter ants can carry leaves that weight times of their body weight. 20. Mole bite and dash the worms paralyzed. Paralyze. Leaf cutter ants drink leaf sap. Humans give importance to save money. Humans give importance to save money. Choose the correct option. The kingdom was situated in the foothills of Anamalai. The king looked for a leader. The king looked for a leader. Foothills of Anamalai. The king looked for a leader. The king gave that seats. 7. In real, the test is for testing honesty. Testing honesty. Choose the best answer. Magund mad dash using dry food. Dolls. In memory of Hill's mother, he called the statue. Wooden. The memory of his mother, he covered wooden statue. Dash is the great risk of the environment. Plastic is the great risk of the environment. Magun learned the art from his grandfather. Dash was the helpful for our father to drive out the wild animals. Wooden tiger. Choose the best answer. Karthik is a blind. The Delhi government did not allow blind children the study science after 10th standard. Finally, he got permission to study science after 9 months. He got an admission to study the Stanford University in the USA. Choose the best answer. Chris enjoyed doing all sorts of things except writing and art. One day, Chris tried to draw a circle. Pencil asked him to draw pair of eyes. Draw me some hair quickly. I looked like a lollipop. Before going to bed that night, Chris gave his new teacher a hearty thanks. Heartily thanks. Choose the best answer. Karumugilan went to dash for higher studies, USA. Dash broke out in the nearby villages. Dengue. We got dash to diseases infected by the villagers built a dash on his memory hospital. Choose the correct answer. Bablu was the dog of Srijit. The message was the gather on Monday. Dash over here her father talking on the phone about the robbery. Jessie overheard her father talking on the phone about the robbery. Choose the best answer. All the animals called the sparrow, Madam. The brown sparrow laid 3 eggs. Dash lies stretching in the river. Crocodile. Sparrow tied the elephant and the crocodile with a creeper. The sparrow solved the problem with her intelligence. A sparrow solved the problem with her intelligence. Fill in the blanks. Teddy took his pillow as a sign of welcoming them. Teddy took his pillow as a sign of welcome them. Connie and Teddy, where is the garden at 12 noon? Muthu collected dash from every house's garbage. Anbu was a dash old boy, 2 years old boy. Connie took Teddy out for a walk. Fill in the blanks. The tank in Divya village went almost dry. Divya loved solving mysteries. Divya loved solving mysteries. Divya and Rani decided to draw a map. Divya and Rani decided to draw a map. Rani thought herself as a engineer. Sanitary. Rani thought of herself as a sanitary engineer. Rani and Divya informed the happiness to the elders. Choose the correct answer. The merchant sold things made of brass. The merchant sold these things made of brass. The grandmother had kept the plate of memory of her husband. In real, the plate was made of gold. The merchant paid 8 rupees to the boatman. Secondly, the greedy merchant is ready to offer 10 rupee. Secondly, the greedy merchant is ready to offer 10 rupee.